today we're showing you guys how to remove door handle scratches. So if you guys take a look up close, these door handles have seen better days, and today I'm going to show you guys how to easily fix it with only one product. Technically two if you want to count the first one, but I'll elaborate a little bit more once we get there. Now the first thing that you're going to want to use is you're going to need a chemical guys door stopper. I'm totally kidding, this is just a small piece of cardboard, and all you have to do is just basically lodge it in between the door handle. That way it stays open, giving you more room to work with. Now the next thing that you want to do is you want to clean the surface. So right here I'm going to use our Wipeout Surface Cleanser, and this is basically like an IPA wipe. All you're going to do is just spray directly onto the surface, and this is going to remove any kind of dirt, dust, grime, and also any kind of oils from glazes or waxes or anything like that. Now once you clean the surface, now you want to remove the scratches, and in order to do so we're going to be using a compound. Today we're going to be using our C4 clear cut correction compound, and we're also going to be pairing it with one of our Hexlogic orange hand pads. Now this pad is specifically for cutting, and it's going to work out great in our case to remove these scratches and swirls. So all you want to do to use this product is open up the spout. And just because of the angle and the area that it's in, we're not going to apply it to the entire applicator because it would just kind of be a waste. Instead, we're only going to focus on applying it to this top part or the bottom part of the applicator, depending on, whichever one you go with. And then what we're going to do is we're going to kind of spread it out. So it's completely fine if it gets outside of the area that you're working in. Don't worry about that. And then once you're all ready to work it in, now you simply just want to work it left and right, up and down. And the product itself is going to do the job for you. So right now what this is doing is it's actually removing those surface scratches and revealing a fresh new layer of clear coat, which is basically every time that you polish, you're basically just kind of wearing down the life of your clear coat to expose a fresh new surface that isn't scratched. So as you guys can see, I'm just going to take my time right here, just thoroughly work the product onto the surface until the scratches are completely gone. I'm basically all done removing the scratches from the door handle itself. And one of the great things about C4 compound is that it's not just specifically intended for door handle scratches. You can actually use it for basically any smooth, glossy surface all around your vehicle, including paint, headlights, glossy B-pillars, which Henry just did the other day. And you can also do the paint itself. So right here you guys can see not just the door handle had scratches, but on the outside as well, we also have like these little nicks. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the same product that we have, and we're going to remove this part of this scuff right here that's on the door handle. So all we're going to do is work the product left and right. And then if you do need to, you can feel free to apply a couple more drops of product. In this case, I'm just going to apply a small drop just because we're only doing this little small segment of the door handle. And this will easily clean up any kind of surface oxidation, light scratches, light swirl marks, water spots. If you have water spots on your paintwork, this is a great product to go ahead and use just to go and remove those kind of surface contaminants. All right, so moving on, we try to remove the scratch right here, but unfortunately the paint is actually peeling right here, so there's really not a whole lot we can do there. But we can move on to some of the other scuffs around the door handle, such as this one right here, and show you guys how easily it can be removed. Now that you're done working in the product, all you have to do now is simply grab a microfiber towel and buff off the residue of wherever you got the C4 compound. So right here, we removed all the door handle scratches, and then we also kind of stretched a little bit. We went outside the door handle area, and just in this general area to be specific, just because there was a lot of like surface scratches that we could have easily knocked off with just the C4 compound and our Hexlogic hand pad. And just like that, it looks incredible. And you can actually tell that the paint is much brighter, but that's mainly just because this paint is actually oxidized. So anytime you polish white paint and the surrounding paint is oxidized, you're gonna notice that it's a lot brighter than the other area, which is gonna look more of a yellowish color. So we just finished this up, and I'll bring you guys in for a closer look. All right guys, now that you guys have seen the results using our C4 compound, you guys saw just how easy it is to remove any kind of scratches and swirls around your vehicle. Now today we did specify the door handle scratches, but just keep in mind, this can be used on any type of scratches all around your vehicle, whether it be on your paint, on these smooth glossy plastics, on your tail lights or your headlights, and so much more. C4 compound is an all-in-one great product to just cut those scratches, swirl marks, oxidation, water spots, and so much more, and get your paint looking as good as new all over again. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give us a huge like, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and if you guys want to pick up your very own bottle of C4 compound or Wipeout, you can pick them up directly on our website at chemicalguys.com. They'll be pinned in the description down below and in the pinned comment down below. As always, my name is Joey, this is Chemical Guys, and I'll see you guys next time.